Okay, homework help here. So for the assignment, what we're going to do is practice more of the same. We're going to focus on the radical first. The square root of 36 is going to be 6, so we have -4 plus or minus 6 divided by 8. There are two math problems. One is going to be -4 plus 6 divided by 8. The other problem is going to be -4 minus 6 divided by 8. Here we would get 2 divided by 8, which reduces to 1/4. So 1/4 is one solution. -4 minus 6 is -10 divided by 8. This would simplify to -5/4. 2 goes into both 10 and 8. So my two solutions would be -5/4 and 1/4. Taking a look at the back side here, what do we have? We have basically a quadratic formula problem plugged in, and we're just going to go ahead and simplify. Order of operations, I'm going to focus on the radical first here. So I have -9. I have -9 plus or minus the square root. 9 squared is 81. And then I'm going to multiply before I subtract. So -4 times -2 times 56 is going to be positive 448. All of that is divided by 2 times -2, which is -4. -9 plus or minus the square root. 81 plus 448 is 529. All of that's divided by -4. -9 plus or minus the square root of 529. The square root of 529 is 23. So -9 plus or minus 23 divided by -4. I have my two problems. I have -9 plus 23 divided by 4, and I have -9 and -9 minus 23 divided by -4. Okay. What would we get from that? Here we would get 14 divided by -4. So 14 divided by -4 would simplify to -7/2. Here we would get -32 divided by -4, which equals +8. So my two solutions would be +8 and -7/2. Okay. Lastly, on the back side, what we're going to do here is practice writing these in standard form. So I need to set the equation equal to 0, and I also need to make sure that x squared is positive. If x squared was negative, I would simply move it to the right side. But since it's positive, I'll leave it where it is, and I'll move the -12, so I would add 12 to both sides. When I do that, I would get x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So the standard form is x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Which means that my a value is going to be 1. My b value is going to be +7. And my c value is going to be